Welcome to the video on how to edit the SHARP network. Simply click on a state or enter your zip code in order to find your congressional representative. For the purpose of this video, we are not going to edit a current legislator, but instead work on our test page, which is dedicated to Thomas Jefferson, the third President of the United States. Once you have reached your representative's wiki, you can use the Edit This Page button on the right-hand toolbox to open the editing box. To add a main heading for the subject matter you are adding, put the title for your main heading between two sets of 3 equal signs, as seen here. For subheadings, you would use 4 equal signs. Adding text is very easy. Simply type in the information underneath the main heading. You can also cut and paste in pre-typed information if that is easier for you. The best place to find information on a representative or candidate for office is by looking in the local newspaper for that person's district. Most newspapers have an online archival system, so all you would need to do is type in the congressperson's name and see what kind of information comes up. You might also want to look at their website for any speeches they have given or press releases they have sent out. Campaign websites can serve as a great source of first-hand information on the policy stances of the representative. Legislators who have been in Congress for a number of years will have lots of great information in their press release archives. Another great idea is to write your congressman a letter and then post the response in the SHARP. As always, you can Google their name and see what information comes up for their science and health policy stances. As you can see, the text displays as entered on the wiki. To hyperlink a word in the text to a web page, simply place that word in brackets and then add the URL for the web page in front of the word. You must be careful to include a space between the URL and the word that you wish to make a hyperlink. In this case, we have chosen the words Thomas Jefferson, showing that you can hyperlink 2 words or a phrase as long as all the text stays within the 2 brackets. Click Preview to see your hyperlink displayed. As you can see, this page links to the White House webpage for Thomas Jefferson. In accordance with our Manual of Style, all information added to the wiki must be properly referenced. To insert a reference, use the HTML tag REF in angle brackets. Enter all the information necessary that is available: author name, date, name of article, name of publication, and the URL where the information can be found on the web. Don't forget to close out the tag with /REF, again in angle brackets. In order to make the references display at the end of the page, you must enter a main heading titled EndNotes at the bottom of the page. Underneath that, put a final HTML tag, references space / included in angle brackets. Your reference will automatically show up in the text as a number, with the full citation displaying at the bottom of the page in numerical order. Click on Save Page to view the changes you have made thus far. To add a picture, PDF, or any other type of file, use the Upload File button on the bottom of the right-hand toolbar. Choose the file from the proper folder in your computer and upload it. You can enter a short explanation of what the file is, if you wish. Pay careful attention to the name of the file and the format, which for the SHARP is generally filename.fileformat, because you'll need to know it when linking to your file in the wiki. After uploading the image, return to the page you are editing. Use the tag _image : filename.fileformat in double brackets to insert the file into the text. If you are uploading a PDF, for example, a letter from a representative, it might be easier to simply hyperlink to the file instead of having the image display as is. Click Preview to make sure the file or image is displaying correctly. To make adding video easy, we have created a special plugin using the service name and the video ID. For YouTube, the ID of the video is whatever comes after the equal sign in the URL for the video. Use double braces followed by #EV:, then enter the name of the service and the video ID separated by a vertical bar. The Sharp supports Dailymotion, Funnyordie, Google Video, 7Load, Rever, and YouTube. Now that we have had a solid introduction to editing a blank wiki, let's take a look inside a wiki that already has information in it. For example, Senator Charles Grassley's page is filled with information that has been put in by SCA staff in the form of templates. Templates are a tool used by SCA to enter a large amount of information on a large number of people's wikis in a short amount of time. Templates are easy to recognize because they are enclosed in braces. All you need to know about the templates is what they are and why they are there. Let's look at how the information is displaying on Senator Grassley's page. All this information is generated by templates and is generic for all senators except in terms of their name and their voting record. The template should in no way deter you from adding information to the Sharp. For an example of what happens when SCA templates and information added by users is mixed, let's take a look at Senator John Warner's page. When opening his editing box, you can see all the information that is generating the text on the front page. As you can see, all this user did was put the information he had on Senator Warner's views above and below the templates. When adding information, don't worry about messing them up or breaking them. SCA staff is monitoring the templates and can easily restore one if anything happens to it. This user put an asterisk in order to put the information in a bulleted format. That is at the discretion of the user. As you can see, the information added by the user displays above and below the templates without any problems. If you are ever having any trouble when adding information, please refer to this page as a model and look at how the information is put into the wiki. I hope this video helped you understand how easy it is to add information to the Sharp Wiki. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at contact@sephora.org.